Linear equations word problems. This is page 14 of your notes. Jonathan earns $10.50 hourly at McDonald's. Hourly means per hour. So $10.50 per hour. Write an equation that shows the relationship of number of hours worked, X, and money earned, Y. So X equals hours worked, and Y equals total money. Okay, so the total number of dollars Jonathan earns equals $10.50 for each hour, so times X. This is multiplication. After working from 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., how much money will Jonathan have earned? So from 10:30, I subtract 6:30 for 4 hours. And because X is the number of hours, I multiply 1050 times 4 hours. And that will give me my answer, which is $42. A taxi cab company charges $5 per cab ride plus an additional $1.75 for each mile driven. Write an equation that shows the relationship of miles driven, X, and the total amount charged, Y. So first I have $5 plus $1.75 for each mile. I want to write an equation that shows the relationship of miles driven, X, so this is the miles, and Y is the total amount, the money. Okay, so Y equals, first my $5 plus $1.75 times X. How much would the company charge for a 20-mile cab ride? So for 20 miles, I have $5 plus $1.75 times 20. So I do $5 plus $1.75 times 20. When you do this in the calculator, the decimal is down here, 1.75 times 20. 35. So I put $35 here, and then I sum or add. Plus 5 is 40. So my answer is $40. Jacqueline pays $50 per year for a membership to the gym, but each time she visits, she must pay $7. Write an equation that shows the relationship of number of visits, X, and total amount paid, Y. So X is visits, and Y is total amount in dollars. Okay, so Y equals, I have $50 per year plus $7 per visit. So $50 plus $7 per visit, X. How many visits can she afford for a total of $99? So I have 99 is the total, so that's Y equals 50 plus 7X. So I must solve for X. To solve for X, I can subtract 50 from both sides, because 50 minus 50 gives me 0. 99 minus 50 gives me 49. And I bring down the equal sign. Here is eliminated, and I bring down the 7X. To eliminate the 7, because this is multiplication, 7 multiply X, I must divide, because 7 divides 7 is 1. So I have left here X equals 49 divided 7 is 7. So X, remember, is the number of visits. She can afford 7 visits. Stephanie has already spent 411 minutes on the phone and plans to spend 15 minutes on the phone every day for the rest of the month. Write an equation that shows the relationship of days remaining this month, X, and total minutes on the phone, Y. So Y is minutes total, and X is number of days. So Y equals, we have 411, and, so that's plus, 15 minutes on the phone every day. So 15 minutes each day, or 15 times X. If she plans to spend a total of 531 minutes on the phone this month, how many days remain? So 531 is the total number of minutes, so that's Y. And that equals 411 plus 15x. I'm using my equation. Again, I need to solve for x, so I need to eliminate 411. I can subtract from both sides. 411 minus 411 is 0. 531 minus 411 is 120. On this side I have 15x. Now I need to divide by 15. Divide 15 is 1, so I'm left with x. And 120 divide 15 is 8. So my answer is 8, and I check x is days, so 8 days.